Alright guys doing, how you guys doing? This is Dan right here. Good old 300, 3.6. So whenever you guys have these coilovers, you have the clunking sounds after. It could either be the top hat or it could be the sway bar link. I'm gonna do it after. I'm gonna check to see after I'm done. But what I did to take these guys off, you loosen the guy at the bottom right here. Loosen that up a little bit. It's already set. I already had it set to the softest setting. So you turn that little silver piece, and then you just pull it out after you have enough slack. This is on Megan Racing. So you pull it out. It's gonna look just like this. You can put it to the side or something. The socket that you'll be using is a 17. So you go in here, and then you already tightened everything up already. But if you feel some type of slack, and just keep on going until you get that initial tightness. And then when you're done tightening it up, you put it back, depending on how you like it. I know some people are OCD about it, but turn it in there. If you want it just to be straight, let me see if I can get it straight. If you guys want to get it straight like this, you can turn it like so, and then tighten it back up, tighten it back down like so. And then as you can see, you can change your damper all the way from soft to high again, or hard again. But that's how you tighten up your top hat for these coilovers. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, you guys have a good one.